The animal sleeping on your couch right now has abilities that make the most advanced technology on Earth look primitive. Not metaphorically, literally. In 5 specific, documented, peer-reviewed ways, your dog is a biological marvel that science is still struggling to fully explain. Let's go through all 5. Superpower 1. A nose 100. 1,000 times more powerful than yours. Your nose has about 6 million olfactory receptors. Your dog's nose has 300 million. But the number alone doesn't capture it. The part of a dog's brain dedicated to analyzing smells is, proportionally, 40 times larger than yours. They don't just smell more. They process smell the way we process sight. It's their primary sense, their main language, their version of seeing the world. Alexandra Horowitz of the Barnard College Dog Cognition Lab puts it this way. While humans see a room, a dog smells it. Every person who walked in, what they ate for lunch, whether they were afraid, how long ago they left. Dogs can detect certain cancers through breath or urine samples. They can smell a drop of blood diluted in an Olympic swimming pool. They can track a scent trail that is 3 days old. No machine we have built comes close to this, and the dog doing it is currently asleep on your couch. Superpower 2. Hearing that reaches frequencies you will never perceive. Humans hear sounds between 20 and 20,000 hertz. Dogs hear up to 65,000 hertz, sounds that are completely silent to us. They can hear a sound 4 times farther away than we can. They can rotate each ear independently, like a satellite dish, to pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from. This is why your dog is at the door before you hear your own car. This is why they wake up and look at the wall when there's nothing there. There is something there. A mouse in the walls. A pipe vibrating below the floor. A frequency that your brain literally cannot register. Before earthquakes, dogs consistently behave differently. Restless, anxious, trying to leave the building. The most likely explanation. They detect the subsonic vibrations that precede seismic events, sounds below the range of human hearing. Your dog isn't crazy. They're just listening to a channel you don't have access to. Superpower 3. They can smell cancer and diabetes and seizures before they happen. This is the one that most people think is exaggerated. It isn't. It's one of the most researched areas in medical science right now. Cancer cells produce specific volatile organic compounds, microscopic chemical signatures that change the smell of breath, urine, and skin. Dogs trained on these compounds have identified lung cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer with accuracy rates above 90% in published studies. Trained diabetic alert dogs detect the chemical changes in blood sugar through breath and sweat, alerting owners before hypoglycemic episodes happen, sometimes before any monitoring device registers the change. In epilepsy, some dogs alert their owners 15 to 45 minutes before a seizure, though the exact mechanism is still being studied. The medical community is not dismissing this. They are funding it. Research labs in the UK, US, and Germany are actively working to understand exactly what dogs are smelling so we can build sensors that replicate it. So far, the sensors are not as good as the dog. 3 superpowers down, 2 to go, and the last one is the one that most surprises people because it has nothing to do with smell or hearing. It's something your dog knows about you that you don't even know about yourself. Subscribe to your dog and hit like right now. It genuinely helps. Let's keep going. Superpower 4. An internal compass aligned to Earth's magnetic field. Dogs have a documented preference for aligning their bodies along the north-south axis of Earth's magnetic field when they urinate or defecate. This was studied over 2 years across 70 dogs and 37 breeds, published in Frontiers in Zoology. It's one of those findings that sounds absurd until you look at the data, and then it's just fascinating. Beyond bathroom behavior, research published in the Journal of Experimental Biology found evidence that dogs use magnetoreception, sensitivity to Earth's magnetic field, as a navigational tool. Dogs that ran in a north-south direction during off-leash exploration returned home faster and more directly than dogs that ran in other directions. This is the same biological compass used by migrating birds, sea turtles, and salmon. Your dog has it too. And every time they spin 3 times before lying down, looking for the right magnetic alignment, they are doing something that connects them to a sense that most humans have completely lost. Superpower 5. They read your emotions better than most humans do. In 2022, a study published in PLOS ONE found that dogs can smell human stress, not see it, not hear it, smell it. Specific compounds released in breath and sweat when a person is under psychological stress were detected by trained dogs with 93.75% accuracy. But it goes beyond stress. Research from the University of Lincoln found that dogs can differentiate between happy and angry human faces. A study from the University of Vienna showed that dogs follow human gaze. They look where you point, even when there's no obvious reward. They understand the communicative intent behind the gesture. The Kikusui study we mentioned in a previous video showed that mutual gazing between dogs and their owners increases oxytocin in both, the same bonding hormone released between mothers and newborn babies. No other non-human animal produces this effect with humans through eye contact alone. Your dog doesn't just love you, they read you. They track your mood, your stress, your energy, your intentions. They've been doing it for 30,000 years of coevolution with our species, and they are, right now, probably better at knowing how you're feeling than the last person you spoke to today. 5 superpowers, all of them real, all of them verified, all of them happening right now, in the animal sleeping on your couch. A nose that reads the world in chemical signatures, ears that hear what you never will, a body that detects diseases before machines do, a compass aligned to the planet's magnetic field, and the ability to know exactly how you're feeling before you've said a single word. Your dog isn't just a pet. They are one of the most remarkable biological systems on Earth, and they chose to spend that remarkable existence next to you. Subscribe to your dog. Hit like if this changed how you see the animal next to you. See you in the next one.